Good afternoon, I'm calling this PHS Afternoon News Today for Thursday, September 5th. The French Lick Scenic Railway is holding auditions for the Polar Express. You must be at least 13 to be considered for a role. In honor of homecoming this week, we will be having dress-up days. Today is favorite sports day, and Friday is all out purple and gold. The theme for the Orange Bowl on Friday is beach. Your themed outfit must be school appropriate. And now to Kaulen with sports.
Thank you, Colin. Junior high cross country will be at Crawford tonight starting at 5. Girls JV and varsity volleyball will take on Forest Park tonight at home starting at 5:30. Boys varsity tennis will be at Crawford starting at 5. Junior high football will be at Crawford County starting at 6. Junior high volleyball will be at home against Bedford starting at 6. Cross country will be at North Harrison starting at 6. Back to you, Colin.
I'm Kaulen, and that's your afternoon news. Have a turn-tastic day. The theme for the Orange Bowl on Friday is beach. Beach.